Selamat pagi, Reception Asia speaking. How may I help you?
Yes, I want to make a reservation, please.
Alright, may I ask this reservation for yourself or your guest?
For my guest.
Alright. May I know your guest name?
Her guest name is Diva.
Is Delta, India, Victor, Alpha, is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Alright, may I know the full name?
Actually, I forgot the full name.
Alright. May I know your name?
My name is Khaira.
Alright, Kira is Kilo Hotel Alpha India Romeo Alpha November India, is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
May I know your full name?
My full name is Khairani Julia.
Julia is for Juliet, Uniform, London, Yankee Alpha, is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Alright. May I know when you reservation for what?
Actually, for tomorrow.
Alright. From 13th January, is that correct?
Yes,
Alright. How many nights is?
2 nights.
Alright. 13 until 15 January.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yes.
How many person please?
Actually, with her husband and her children.
Alright. How many children is?
2 children. 1 son and 1 daughter. Around 17 years old.
Oh, alright. I assume your guests will be needing 2 rooms and no smoking area because your guests have a children.
Yes.
Alright, we have a room available for your guests. We have our facilities like, excuse me, pardon please, hold on line. Please wait a moment.
Yes.
I want to complain the Wi-Fi in the room is not working. Alright, I apologize. Please wait a moment. I will check our things, right? And please wait a moment in the lobby or I will hear it. Alright. Please check. Alright, sorry miss. May I know your name and your number? My name is Nada. My room number is 305. Alright. Reservation please. And we check room 301. Because Wi-Fi is not. Thank you, miss. And we have another room because you need another room. And we can be strong signal because you will be recording Wi-Fi. Alright, thank you. Is there anything else?
No, thank you.
Alright, thank you, miss. Good morning, Miss Khaira.
Yes, good morning. I've waited for so long.
Pardon for the wait. We have a guest in for we and Miss Khaira. We have a room Manhattan Suite room, and the facilities is sofa, shower, bathtub, bathroom, guest facilities, minibar, balcony, and we have a king size bed. And the other room has silk sofa, twin size bed, and balcony, and no smoking area. And for 1 room per night is 3 million. And also for 2 room is 6 million rupiah. 6 million rupiah. Do you interest us?
Yes,
Alright. It's already special rate. Miss Khaira already including breakfast too. Right? Alright, we have our miss. And do you want to pick up service?
no, thank you.
There's anything special request for your guest?
No, it's not.
Alright. How about the payment, Miss Khaira?
The payment will be by with my guest cash.
phone number?
Yes, it's 0812 5687 1922.
Alright. Your phone number is 081256871922. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Alright, I know your email.
My email is khaira@gmail.com.
Alright. Is your email Kilo Hotel Alpha India Romeo Alpha gmail.com? Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Alright, may I know your guest phone number?
My guest phone number is 0812 5791 2347.
Alright, and your phone guest line number is 081257912347. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
May I know your email guest? Your guest email.
Actually, I don't know her email address.
Oh, yes, that's okay. Is there anything else for your guest?
No.
Alright. I will repeat your reservation, alright?
Yes.
The reservation is for Miss Dida for
Sorry, Miss Diva.
Miss Diva, alright? The Delta India Victor Alpha, is that correct?
Yes.
For person for tonight from 14 until 16th of January 2026 with 2 room in the Mansion Suite room and the payment by upon check-in cash, and the total is 6 million rupiah. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Alright, then Miss Khaira, your reservation is already confirmed by me. My name is Nisha, and your reservation number is 005. And also, I will send confirmation later via email. And your email address is hairani@gmail.com.
Just khaira@gmail.com.
Alright. I kindly ask you forward confirmation to later to Miss Diva so that she will know the information.
Yes.
Alright. Is there anything else, Miss Mayra?
No, thank you.
Alright, thank you for reservation. Have a good day.
Yes, thank you.